I bring you guys back to Morton Lake Dam. Yeah, last time I was here, we had a lot of filming crew here. Oh my word, we're gonna film the daylights out of this. And maybe if I can find a way going down below. But I'm gonna run 2 cameras today, similar to what I did when I had that ghost hunt. I ran 4 of them, but I'm running 2 now because it is very windy. Oh my word. You know what? Let's shoot the dam real quick and let's go on from there. There's the dam, guys. Holy smokes, isn't that beautiful? Oh my word, we're gonna try to get all of that if we can. I'd love to be able to get down there, but I'm not sure how yet. Oh man. We're gonna get this bridge. We're gonna get as much as we can. All right, here's the other side. Last time I was here, they were fishermen right down there. This place was loaded with people. Oh my word, look at that down there. Oh man. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna get the other camera up. We're gonna set it right here. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And we'll show some of this part as we talk. Oh my word. Okay, Angie was in the first shop. She was very upset with herself. She was. I said, don't be. But my gosh, look at this. If this ain't some beauty. Well, let's look at the structure of the bridge. That's what got my attention back in September when I filmed this. Believe it or not, it was this bridge is what got me. I seen the video back early September of, believe it or not, some ghost hunters up here. This place is supposed to be haunted too. And I noticed the bridge. Look at this. Would you just look at these pillars right here? You don't see this. You don't see this anymore, folks. You don't. And that's what got my attention. I didn't pay a bit of attention to what they were talking about in the video. It was talking about the ghosts. They was doing their thing for ghost hunting. And all I was doing was looking at the picture, the video, everywhere else, trying to like, oh my God, where is this? How can I find this? Of course, that video was 4 years old, but I was like, I gotta find this. Oh my word. Just look at this place. By the way, I forgot to mention, I'm in Richmond, Indiana. Come on, Michael, that's really professional, isn't it? Oh, if I could go underneath that. I'm gonna look and see if I can before I leave here, y'all. If we can, we're going down there. But yeah, I got this place from a video of 2 people ghost hunting 4 years ago. Now, when I was here earlier September, we came over from the record studio when I filmed it, as I was like, that bridge is real close to that. And when I got over here, oh shoot, gotta be careful where I walk at. It was a filming crew already here. And that filming crew, it was like 8 or 9 of them, and they done had their equipment set up, and I didn't want to get in their way, so I filmed very little of it. And I said I would come back in October and do the rest. Well, it ain't October. In case you guys wondering, my videos are about maybe 4 to 5 days by the time you see them. I have to do it that way so I can stay current. Today is November 1st. Yeah. The day after Halloween. There's a trail going around that way. I don't know. I was hoping I'd go down. Let me swing around. I was hoping I'd go down that way. Let me get my bearings. This would make a great shot, my view behind me. When I was here last time, I had trouble finding the history part of this bridge then too. I've been looking online. I can't seem to find it. I even used AI. Maybe I have to look a little harder. I really don't know. What road did this lead into? Because if you look at it, now they did just put a parking lot in here within the last 2 years, I think, right? I did read that part, but this is a bridge right through here. Right through here. I mean, was there a road going up that way or something? Or was this ever used for a road? I'm thinking it was, because look, down here, it's asphalt. So you would think there would have been a road. Let me show you something else too. If I could somehow zoom in on this picture, there is one monster-sized catfish down there. Angie just pointed that out to me. Oh my word, look at that, guys. Oh, it gotta be a way down here. Gotta be a way. See, if you was to go that trail, you had to come down that steep hill. I can't see any way down there, can you?
Yeah, the trail up there and it comes
No,
down.
honey, if you go here, sorry guys, but you go that trail right there. I don't know how far. I want to come to this side though, because I want to go underneath the bridge.
Yeah, I don't know if you can get
My God, that, oh my God, there's 2 catfish, Ange. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna try to zoom in as much as I can. I hope I can get a 2 monster-sized catfish down there. By any chance, Missy and Sam, or even my buddy Ronnie watch this, we should come fishing here one day. It's in Richmond. Yeah, it's a good piece from home, but still. All right, let me show you what I was going to show you guys. That film crew that was here that day, they put this on the ground. Obviously, you know, back in the olden days when somebody, you know, they outlined their body with this. Trying to figure out what this guy in the truck's doing. It's okay, he's leaving. If you remember, that film crew was a college crew doing some film down here, and Angie and I figured it probably has something to do with some kind of miniature movie. I could never find it, by the way. Hell, I don't even know if it's there. Do you know what though, Ange? Oh, I don't know. This looks sketchy. It's the way down there. This is a runoff for water, but as you see, it goes down there. Then you hop over there. That's pretty steep down. Then you get down. I could get down, but could I get back up? Probably not. Oh my word. You'll see my other camera shot here in a minute. So we're going to grab him. Yeah, him. My G70. And Kitt, quit pulling mommy. Hey, Bubby. What you doing? Don't pull mommy. Yeah, he was being bad on the way over here. But we're going to take the G70 and move her, or him. I don't know if it's him or her. I'm excited because this place is beautiful. We're going to try to get some shots that way. Now, the problem with the wall is I want my tripod, which you see right here with my bigger camera on it. I would love to be able to have it going up and over the wall, but this wall is dang near as tall as me. I'd say the wall is about 5 foot. To get this shot right here, I have to bend over. There we go. That looks like it might be the best shot I can get. I don't know if I can get underneath the bridge, y'all. But we're gonna look one more time, see if I can. But my God, look at it back there. That ain't so beautiful. Oh my word. Well, I'm gonna take my big camera and my tripod with me because I don't know so much about this area, and we're gonna follow this trail on back and see if there's a way to get down there. Because I really love to get underneath that bridge. I don't know. It's beautiful out through here though. Oh my word. Angie's there. Well, I thought she was trying to get my attention. But yeah, I even read the reviews of this place, and some of the reviews are pretty good, but some of them, they're saying don't come here after dark and all this other crap. I mean, give me a break. Give me a break. If I ever knew more about the ghost up here, maybe I'd come back and ghost hunt it. Oh my word. Did you guys like the last ghost hunt we was on? Do you guys enjoy the Halloween special I did? Oh. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to get my bearings, see where the heck we're headed to. Well, I found a spot. I could kind of get down, but I don't think I'm going to. I got the other camera facing at the waterfall, and I will actually show some of that as I'm talking. Here we go. I'm pretty close to it. We do have a slight little hill. I could probably get down that. See, it rained last night, so I'm not exactly sure if I want to. It's kind of muddy right through there. But you know what? That's about as good as I'm going to get it. Because right there is underneath the bridge. And here's my surroundings. We're down a little bit on the trail. You got a little bit of car tire there. Yeah, you can definitely tell it's had human activity. You got a bunch of rocks there. So it must have been some type of structure back here. And the trail kind of ends right there. As you see by my puppy dog, I don't know, something been chewing on this? I don't know, something been chewing on it or somebody been hacking at it for firewood. I have no idea. And this part right here looks like it was cut off too. Interesting. Oh, big log right here that must have came down. All right, what do you think, Ange? Head back up and get more of the bridge,
Okay.
and then maybe call it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too.
Hey.
At least one thing's in our favor. There ain't many people here this time. We're gonna go ahead back up, get some more of the beautiful bridge. Oh my God, that bridge is so beautiful. The whole idea of coming back here today was when I was here in October. Actually, it was September, my bad. It was the middle of September, and there was a lot of people here. You had the other filming crew here, and I made a video, you know, I showed what I could show, and I said I'd be back here in October. The whole idea is to do exactly what I'm doing today. Only thing is I can't get underneath the bridge, but I'm okay with that. I got everything else I wanted to get that day. And I'm still very much blown away. The historical aspect of that bridge alone is something else. And not to mention the beautiful creek below. Heck, we got catfish, large size catfish. I can see why there were people here fishing. We got the waterfall. I'm not complaining. All right, guys, we're gonna get the bridge one more time. And I'm gonna have the camera shoot me from a distance, as well as this one shoot me from the front. We're gonna get it one more time, then I guess we might call her. Now, when we leave here, we're gonna look for some cabins that we seen last time we was here. But my gosh, let me show some beauty. Let's go side to side. Now, see, that wind should not be affecting this camera because the mod on here is pretty darn good. But wow, look at this. I hope I could dig up some type of information. Oh, I even went up to these spots right here trying to see if I could read anything on there, but I can't. I just can't read anything about this bridge. My word. Yeah, the waterfall over here, let me go over there, is nice, don't get me wrong, but this bridge is just as nice to me. Look how old and historical it is. You don't, like I said earlier, you don't see the pillars like this anymore. They don't make bridges like this anymore. Oh, that is nice though, isn't it? Holy, that's nice. Oh man, that is nice. Let's head up over this way. Oh man, let's go see if the catfish is still there. I had no idea that's what Angie was trying to get me over here for earlier. Just show me these beautiful catfish straight down. I was blown away by that. Let's see. Oh, they're still there. I don't know. Can't tell. Let me move my sunglasses. Maybe then I could tell. Let's see what we got here. Yep, let me show you real quick. Right straight down there. There's three of them. Looks like mommy and daddy and the baby. Oh, right straight down through there. If I can zoom in from this point, I will. 3 catfish down there. Isn't that something else? Well, we know where the catfish like to hide. You can see some of the, there was some type of construction, some structure, learn to speak, Michael, right there. You can see a little bit of graffiti on the wall there. Oh my word. It looks like a run out right there. All right, guys, this has been Morton Lake Dam. Yes, it's called a lake. Of course, I believe the dam feeds into the lake, so we're basically at the dam part. The other part of the lake, I have no idea where it's at. From here, we're gonna probably see if we can find these cabins, mark them down for another day, and come back to Richmond and do them. Richmond, Indiana, guys, and never cease to amaze me. All this historical beauty, all the little gems I'm finding here. It blows my mind. It does. Never thought. The first time I ever come to Richmond was back about 4 or 5 years ago, and it was actually to the cable company because I had to come all the way out here, which is 2 hours away from home, to get a cable cord and get my cable on. I would be making multiple different trips out here. This makes altogether trip number 7. I have altogether 5 videos. I believe this makes my 5th video here in Richmond. My God. All right, guys. Till next time, thanks for watching. And we'll catch you on the next one. Leave your comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Sometimes I have good videos, and hopefully this is one of them. Hit that like button, man. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And we're headed back home, but not exactly. We're going to explore for other hidden gems to bring to you all. Thanks for watching, guys. Come on. Let's get out of here.